Hey everyone, it's David. Today we're gonna talk about first impressions. First impressions last for a long time and definitely affect your relationship with others, which means we gotta care about our first impressions to others. There are actually some ways to talk you have to avoid. I haven't met any native speakers who asked me what's your name at first. Instead of that, they're like, "Hi, I'm David." We're shaking hands regardless of gender, and then I automatically told them my name. That is a really common situation, and they might think it is polite to let me know their names first and then ask. My experience, "What is your name?" is used for little children, like, "Hey, you're so cute. What is your name?" You can say that to others at first, and most of them not misunderstand you, but they might think you're a foreigner. So let's look at some useful way to talk for first impressions. Alright, please just repeat after me. Hi, I'm David. Hi, I'm David. I'm sorry, what was your name again? I'm sorry, what was your name again? Are you on any social media? Are you on any social media? You're on Facebook? You're on Facebook? Can I send a friend request? Can I send a friend request? Could you let me know how to spell your name? Could you let me know how to spell your name? Can I have your name? Can I have your name? It was very nice to meet you. It was very nice to meet you. With them, you can give successful first impressions to others. Alright, that's all for today. If you like it, please subscribe it and hit the like. And let me know in the comments down below whether you like this video or not and what you wanna see in the next video. Thanks for watching. I see you guys next time. Bye bye.